Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to consider integration using the substitution. We have example 1, integral 3x plus 2 to the power of 4 dx. And we have a solution. To solve this correctly, the first step we need to take, you set u equals 3x plus 2. Then the next step is for you to differentiate this function u with respect to x. And we have a du dx equals 3. And also the x equals du over 3. Now here, the whole function becomes integral u to the power of 4 dx. Now we are going to apply direct substitution here, as I said earlier. Then this becomes integral u to the power of 4. We have here that the x equals du over 3. Now we are going to move the constant 1 over 3 to the back of the integral, and this implies 1 divided by 3 integral u to the power of 4 du. Next step now is for us to integrate this function with respect to u. Now, the expression becomes 1 over 3. If you integrate u to the power of 4, what you're going to do is for you to add 1 to the power. That is 4 plus 1. Then divide it by the same value, 4 plus 1. But you're going to have 1 over 3 multiplied by u to the power of 4 plus 1 divided by 4 plus 1. Then add your constant c or k. Now, if we simplify this further, you're going to have that 1 over 3 multiplied by u, 4 plus 1, that gives you 5. Then 4 plus 1 down gives you 5. Then plus c. Well, if we simplify the whole of this again, you're going to have 1 multiplied by u to the power of 5. That gives you u to the power of 5 divided by 3 times 5. That gives you 15. Then plus c. Then record that u was said to be equals 3x plus 2. Then you substitute it. Now we have 3x plus 2 to the power of 5 divided by 15 plus c, and this is the answer to this integral. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.